We're referring to the stabbing, the murder of a Congress corporator's daughter, Neha Hiremate, in Karnataka's Hubli. That's triggered this massive political slugfest now in the state. There have been protests in several parts of Karnataka demanding capital punishment for the accused Fayaz. He's been arrested also for the murder that he committed on April 18th. Pro-Hindu activist Chakravarti Sulibele visited Neha's house, the victim's house in Hubli, and spoke to her father. A Veerashaiva Lingayat seer also accompanied him. Neha's father has alleged that accused Fayaz was part of a love jihad gang, adding that he was forcing Neha to convert to Islam. Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, and remember that the father is a Congress corporator. You've, however, got the Chief Minister, Siddaramaiah, dismissing the love jihad angle and said very clearly that this murder took place over personal reasons, which a thorough probe, according to him, will expose.
But sir, there is a narrative that is getting spinned around that this is a case of love jihad, that he was trying to convert your daughter to another religion. But the Karnataka Congress government, including the Chief Minister, has plainly, flatly rejected this, saying that there was something personal that was going on between them, and this is purely not a case of love jihad. You are from the Congress party too. How do you see this? Was it true that it was a case of love jihad?
It is I say directly it is a love jihad.
Why do you say so?
Because he is a ex-student, he is a failure student, and he is joined to the this community, the love jihad team. He is already joined, and he is taken a train from them. Then only he is taken action on him, not to only that person. That with him, another poor person are there. They have targeted my family. They targeted my daughter, such family, such girls. They are proposing every time. They want to see my proposal is coming. Either you join me. Otherwise, I will. Otherwise, they tell to take kidnap or other murder. They will direct this only.
ನನ್ನ ಮಗ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ತಪ್ಪಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಸಮಸ್ತ ಜನರಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಕೈ ಮುಗಿದು ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಸಿರಿ ಸರ್. ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಕ್ಷಮಾ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ನನ್ನ ಮಗ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಪ್ಪಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಇಡೀ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಜನತೆಗೆ ನಾನು ಕ್ಷಮೆ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ನೇಹಾಳ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಯಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಕ್ಷಮೆ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್. ಅದು ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳು ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ ಸರ್. ಅದು ಮಗು ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳು ಬೇರೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಮಗು ಬೇರೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ನನಗೆ ಅವಳ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ದುಃಖ ಆಗಿದೆಯೋ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ದುಃಖ ನನಗೂ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸರ್. ನನಗೆ ಮಗುವಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ.
No, they never belong to any community. They never belong to any community. To individual. You see, how does the community responsible for the act of the two individuals? But the people who are making an allegation, they have their brain to say that they are the whole society is responsible. I am also part of the society, a Muslim society of the society. How is that? I don't know who they you attribute to me also? Attribute to there are 200 million Muslims. You attribute to them one crime? I mean, I cannot understand how people think.
It is very inhumane and cruel. I condemn it, and state government has to impartially investigate it. And who are the culprits are there? They have to be punished very soonly. And if not, because of all these happenings, and even yesterday, 4 murders happened in Gadag also, and day to day, something is happening in the entire Karnataka. So, state government has utterly failed to maintain the law and order situation in the Karnataka.
And Prime Minister Modi has also reacted to this murder, slamming the Congress government in Karnataka. Also, in fact, raking up the fact that there's been a complete breakdown of law and order. You had the Prime Minister questioning the Siddaramaiah government over not just this stabbing shocker, but also the Rameshwaram cafe blast and a shopkeeper in Bengaluru getting thrashed for allegedly playing the Hanuman Chalisa.
साथियों, यहाँ कांग्रेस सरकार जिस प्रकार के विचारों को, जिस मानसिकता को बढ़ावा दे रही है, वो भी बहुत खतरनाक है। यहां हमारी बेटियों पर हमले हो रहे हैं, बाजारों में बम फूट रहे हैं, भजन कीर्तन सुनने पर भी हमले हो रहे हैं, ये सामान्य घटनाएं नहीं है और इसलिए मैं बेंगलुरु के और कर्नाटका के भाइयों से आग्रह करूंगा, ये कांग्रेस से बहुत अलर्ट रहना है।